there, neighbors, it's Nicole Fetter, your local Arizona realtor. Let's talk about what you may not realize your realtor, that's me, can do for you. A realtor is a licensed professional that helps you buy, sell, and rent housing as well as other forms of real estate. Their duties include showing you homes, listing homes in the MLS, market analysis, negotiating on your behalf throughout the home buying and selling process, explaining and helping you fill out legal documents throughout the process. They're there to help you guide you through the whole home buying and selling process. A realtor's fiduciary duty is to look out for your best interest throughout the whole home buying and selling process. Everyone does seem to have a little bit of a different idea of what they think a realtor should do for them. And quite honestly, we all work a little differently. But I think we can all agree on one thing. All great realtors are willing to go above and beyond for their clients. There's a lot of resources that realtors have to help you not only before you buy a home, but throughout the whole home ownership process and beyond. As long as you own your home, they're there to help. And a great resource at that. Let's jump in and talk about some of the resources a realtor has to help you that may go above and beyond their job description. Credit counseling. If you are not quite ready to buy a house because you need help repairing your credit, a lot of realtors will help with that. I was in the loan business for 7 years before I became a realtor, and I love this aspect of the job. It's not unusual for me to work with a client a year or more before they purchase a house, getting their credit repaired. If your realtor doesn't have that experience, they likely have a great resource or referral to a lender that can help you with that credit repair counseling. It is not unusual for people to get in contact with a realtor a year or more before they are ready to buy a home. I encourage you to give me a call if you don't think you can purchase a home, and then we can find out where you're at and where you need to go to get there. Actually, your realtor is going to be a great resource for referrals when it comes to pretty much anything to do with your home. Contractors, handymen, insurance companies, home inspectors, you name it. We work day in and day out with these people. It only makes sense that we would have a Rolodex of superior agents and vendors we work with, referring you to another great agent in a different city or state. Buying a house is one of the biggest investments you will ever make. It is very important that you get a great experienced agent to help you. This one's a little outside the box of the job description, and many agents won't do it, but there is a few of us that still will. Set up and arrange for vendors to make necessary repairs to your house. Even at times, meet vendors at your place for those repairs. Help you find a rental or another place to stay. There are many agents, myself included, that only help people buy and sell houses and don't usually work with renters. But when it comes to our clients, we're willing to go above and beyond, and we'd love to help you find a rental or an intermediate place to stay. Help manage your rental properties. This does depend on the individual agent and the brokerage they work with. The individual may not do property management. Also, their brokerage may not allow it. Here in Arizona, there is quite a few brokerages that don't allow you to buy and sell and then property manage as well. But a lot of realtors do just that, just manage investment properties, and any agent can do so. Help you buy a FISBO property or a for sale by owner. If an individual owner is selling their own property and not working with a realtor can still represent you in purchasing that home. Think about it. The homeowner obviously has their best interest at heart, not yours. It is always good when making such a big investment to have a realtor on your side representing you, walking you through the process and looking out for your best interests. The same goes with new builds. The builder of the home is looking out for themselves. So is those sales agents in the office. They are hired by the builder, paid by the builder to represent the builder. It is always good to bring a well-experienced realtor to represent you in such a huge investment. Home staging. Think about it. Realtors, day in and day out, go through houses. It only makes sense that we would know a thing or two about making your house more appealing to buyers. Also, oftentimes we've worked with many home staging companies that do that for a living. It only makes sense that we would learn a thing or two throughout the process. The most important thing we as realtors should be doing for our clients is making the process as easy and simple as possible. Buying and selling homes are the biggest investments many of us will ever make. There is a lot of legal documentation and timetables that must be met to make everything happen quickly, smoothly, and without costing you money. It is very important that you have an experienced professional to look over you and walk you through the process so it is not a stressful situation, so you can get through it as quickly and easy as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and share it with your friends and family. Help continue to educate them on the home buying and selling process. And remember,
go back.